how to cancel ChatGPT Plus step by step. So to cancel your subscription, you must use the exact same platform, the website, Apple App Store or Google Play Store where you first signed up. Now if you're subscribed on the ChatGPT website, go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to chatgpt.com and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu in the top left corner of your screen and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom left, then go to settings. Now scroll through the menu at the top and then go to the account tab. Once you go to account tab, tap manage or cancel, then confirm your cancellation when prompted. Now if you're subscribed on an iPhone or iPad, through an Apple App Store, just open the settings of your Apple device, then tap on your name or Apple ID at the top of your screen, then tap subscriptions. Now since I don't have any subscriptions, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. Now find the chat from your list of active subscription and then tap cancel subscription and confirm. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.